So you're a new content creator looking to save some time and maybe boost your productivity a little bit. AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini can help streamline your content creation. In this video, I'll show you how these tools can simplify your workflow and give you an edge. Let's dive in. Many of us who are a little bit older and have a little bit of gray hair didn't grow up with AI, but now it's an essential tool. It can really help with brainstorming, writing, editing, even video scripting. And instead of spending hours on content, you can get assistance in seconds. But AI doesn't replace creativity, it actually just enhances it. So let's look at ChatGPT, for example, which is probably the most well-known AI platform at the moment. It has all kinds of use cases and it just keeps getting better. So for you as a content creator, you could use it to generate video script outlines. You could write engaging video descriptions and social media captions. You could use it to research trending topics really quickly. So for example, it's as easy as this. Just type in, give me 5 YouTube video ideas about online business for beginners. You'll get some great results right away, and you'll get really great results if you're very specific with those prompts that you type in. Gemini, which is Google's AI platform, does have some similarities to ChatGPT. I find that it's a little bit better for things like research and content enhancement, at least right now anyway. It's changing very quickly. It can analyze trends and suggest relevant keywords, especially for YouTube content. It helps structure blog posts and video scripts, and it can summarize really long articles for quick research. So for example, a prompt might be, summarize the latest YouTube algorithm update in 3 bullet points. And the nice thing about Gemini is it works seamlessly with other Google tools. Some other AI tools to explore? Canva. Their AI tools have gotten really good. I know I use Canva for my YouTube thumbnails, and you can generate social media graphics almost effortlessly now. Descript is one I'm looking at. That's AI-powered video editing. And one of its features is that you can edit your videos by text. So after you've recorded your video, it creates a transcript of everything you say, and you can just go in and cut out all your mistakes, just like you're editing a Word document. InVideo is something that's become quite popular. That's where you can type a prompt and it creates a video from the text that you enter. I find it's not very good yet. I'd like to have a little bit more control over my video editing, and I just find that it's not good at selecting the appropriate imagery for the text that I enter. It is getting better though. And for your writing, there's Grammarly and Hemingway. Those are worth checking out if you really want to boost the power of your writing. But you don't want to lose your unique voice. AI really should assist, not replace your creativity. Always add personal stories and experiences so that it makes your content relatable. Take AI-generated content and edit that and fit it into your own tone and style. And just think of AI as a productivity tool rather than a creativity substitute. We're definitely at the point now where we cannot ignore AI anymore. And AI tools really can help content creators to work smarter, not harder. So which AI tool are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more content creation tips, and check out one of these helpful videos next. I'll see you there.